This video shows how to repair your RC car batteries. So first we need to check the voltage of damaged battery pack. So you can see the voltage of this damaged battery pack is 4.8 volt 700 mAh. So next we need to buy a battery holder like this, or we can get this type of battery holder from your old damaged RC cars. So these two battery holders actually I got it from my old RC cars. So then you need to get 4 rechargeable batteries. So here I am using Sony Cyber Energy NIMH rechargeable batteries. So you can see it's double A 1.2 volt 2400 mAh battery. So 1.2 volt into 4, so you will get total 4.8 volt. So 4.8 volt is our requirement. So after that we can insert this battery holder into this in your RC car. So here you can see I am using only 3 batteries because I haven't get proper battery holder. Actually here you can insert battery holder which where we can insert 4 batteries. So after that you can get a cable or wire like this. So one end of the wire you have to connect to this cable. So you can also use the normal wire. So in that case you need to solder it. Then the other end you can just solder with this solder here. You have to check the positive and negative. Based on that you can just connect it. So before that you can also check the voltage. You can use multimeter or you can check the voltage and confirm that you are getting proper 4.8 volt. So batteries we can arrange in 2 ways, parallel and serial. So here we need to arrange in serial. So then you will get total 1.2 into 8, total 4.8 volt. So this is the charger of this Sony NIMH rechargeable battery. So using this charger we can recharge both AA and AAA batteries. If you don't have this battery holder, I will show you how we can arrange these batteries in serial. So just arrange these 4 batteries like this: positive, negative, positive, negative. So these positive and negative you can solder here with some wire. Then similarly, so this side here also you can solder these 2 parts. Then after that you can use, so actually you have to solder in 3 places: these two, then these two. After that you can get you can connect one wire here, then one wire here, positive, negative. So this way we can arrange batteries in serial and you will get total 4.8 volt. So I hope you enjoy this video. please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So you can also check your one of the battery pack. You will be able to see that actually in battery pack we insert batteries like this. Okay, so this is a serial arrangement.